Hello Pisces, welcome to your reading. This is your bonus reading for March 2019 because it was and still is your birthday. Okay, happy birthday to all the Pisces out there, my fellow water signs. And this is how he or she feels about Pisces. If you want this done as a personal reading, you can go to my website and get it there. The website is in the description below this video, and also my email address if you want to contact me for any reason. You want help with deciding what reading is best for your situation. You can also get this reading for other signs on my website, so you have a general how he or she feels, which is more affordable as well. So you can just pick your sign and then see how he or she feels about you. I will send the video in 48 hours. Okay. Let's see, Pisces, how he or she feels about Pisces. Okay, first card. Cards. What are they telling you? It feels like you need to make a decision who you want to give your time, your attention to. There is someone here is not making a decision and is giving to maybe be overly generous. And there's a need to balance things out on that give and take as well. For some of you, someone wants you to balance out the give and take with them. And also for the ones that are maybe not committed and it's an open relationship, you have here a decision to make. He or she wants you to make a decision, make more time for them. What are they thinking? This could be an earth sign, okay? Ooh, there's also Scorpio. And they're thinking about causing the Tower moment. How he or she feels about Pisces in March 2019. What are they thinking about Pisces? So definitely decisions. Yeah, could be a third party and they want clarity. They want clarity. They want also communication if you're going to see them, if you're going to meet up, or if there is, even if there is a third party. It could be an air sign, air energy, or water. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Deep down, how they feel about Pisces. Deep down, how he or she feels about Pisces. Ooh, the King of Cups, which is you. Or this could be another water sign, but they want a sincere offer of love from you. They love you. They love you. Some of you, yes, this person is very much in love with you. For the others, they are just kind of on and off, or just getting to know each other. I feel they want you to come forward. They want you to come forward, especially if you are a male. They want you to come forward. Otherwise, this is very much an honest love offer here. They do care. The Magician could be an Aries. But what they're going to do, they're going to try to do anything. Anything and everything to get clarity about where they stand with you, basically. Exterior factors, there's a need to end a conflict, stop arguing with each other and start communicating, or someone needs to walk away from a situation. 3 to 6 weeks, how he or she feels about Pisces. Right, look. Once again, they're waiting for you. They're waiting for you to come forward. Or this is a fire sign or a water sign. He's waiting for your love. He's waiting for your love. They're definitely waiting for you to come back, communicate with them. You've got the King and the Queen of Cups. There could be distance between you. They may be trying to manifest you, getting you back, be it energetically or trying to get in touch with you. So yeah, some of you see this person just wants to know if there is another person involved. There's definitely a third party here, or this person is just assuming, he or she is just assuming that you have a third party. The Four of Swords, someone you've stopped being intimate with. So I feel he or she stopped being close to you because they needed to think things through and make a decision. On their mind, there is worry. Could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Or there is worry because you're not communicating, you're not giving in. Or even they feel that you're lying to them. Okay? That's what they're thinking, he or she, that you're lying to them. King of Cups, how they feel deep down towards Pisces. Right, so again, they're not very happy. This could be a Leo lying. They're not happy with you not communicating how you feel about them. Okay, they definitely here not very positive about this and how you communicate and express your love to them. So they're not hopeful about this. They feel that there is a lot of lies. That's how they're feeling. They also don't know why you don't seem happy, Pisces. Or why you're not, even if it's just a friendship or you're getting to know each other, you're just not really communicating back and being your happy self. What's this Magician? Yeah, unfinished business. This person, they're not giving up. Basically, they want to really end the chapter with you, end the cycle, or begin a new one. They're really trying to do everything they can. It could be online or long distance or both. So I feel there's some feeling of this Five of Swords. It feels like you had to abandon this person, or or they turned their back at you because there was a lot of conflict for some of you between you two. You couldn't really communicate. Yeah, and I feel that's why some of you is because this person couldn't offer you a solid commitment with them, or was just because someone here feels they walked away and they missed an opportunity with you. They've created a conflict and they're still thinking. That's why they're not giving up. They're trying reach you on social media, or maybe just trying to manifest you somehow to speak to them. Or you, okay, it could be reversed. Some things could be them. So just apply to your situation. Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But again, it's that silent treatment, that not speaking. And in the near future, 3 to 6 weeks, there's still no communication. But they're there. They're still care for you, or you still care about them, even though you're not able to reach them, communicate with them. But I feel this is more a very strong friendship for some of you. They could have 2 children. There's 2 children here. Or you have 2 children. The Emperor, yeah. The male could have 2 children. This is Aries or Hermit. Could be a Virgo. But I feel that it's time to go within. I don't think there's any time for action. It's not the right time to do anything, even though someone just want to be alone. Someone just want to do their own thing, focus on their children, focus on their work, fixing their their work. This Emperor could work in a, have a business or a big company. Let's see, Pisces, how he or she feels about you in March 2019. You deserve love. There's separation, and there's a new love coming in. Right. So you may be thinking, I want someone new, or they may be thinking, because you're not there for them, they're thinking about someone new, or that you have someone new. Okay, I'm thinking more that because you're not together, and some it's because they do definitely feel you don't love them back, or you could just felt like that, and then the separation came because of someone new that got in between. There's definitely someone in between you two. They could be also not yet dating, but looking to start finding someone new, he or she, because you're not together, and they're trying to just get back on their self-esteem. If there was some issues with trust, yeah, so separation, new love. Just one more card, Pisces. How he or she feels about Pisces in March. Attraction. So they're living in the moment. They're basically just taking their time, living in the moment, or they see you doing this, and obviously there's that person where they want to try to get you back before you find someone new. But you're very much giving that energy where, you know, you're just looking for a new beginning, but someone can't really close it. They need closure with you. They need closure here, or you need closure with them. All right, Pisces, thank you so much. Hope it helps. All the best. Bye bye.